Welcome to another episode of Kookievision. In this video, I'm going to be making some goats. So I've got a goat-shaped face here, and I am piping the outside outline with a piping consistency white royal icing with a number 2 tip, and I'll also outline the ears. Next, I've got a flooding consistency of the same color in a squeeze bottle here, and this is the part where you would do different variations if you wanted them to. So you could add, while this flooding is still wet, you could always add some spots, or you could give it different colored ears. You could do brown, black, gray, any color that you want, but today I'm just doing a white goat here. And I'll use my scribe tool to even everything out and get rid of any air bubbles. So I've let that crust over just a little bit, and I've got a ivory color here. This is a number 2 tip and a piping consistency, and I'm piping the horns. And I'm going to be filling it in with a flooding consistency of the same color in a squeeze bottle. And I'll use my scribe tool to get all that icing towards the edges and get rid of any air bubbles. And after this step, I'm going to let it dry for at least 6 to 8 hours or overnight, which is what I usually do with all of my backgrounds. And the next day, I've got a food marker here. This is a black food pen. It's basically a marker that's filled with food dye. And I just gave him a quick little mouth, and this is kind of like a little sideways 3. I've also got the same color that I used for the horns. This is an ivory color, and it's the piping consistency again with a number 2 tip, and I just created a little nose. I actually made it into a little heart shape this time. And I'm also going to re-outline the face. This is a piping consistency white, just like I used to outline the face originally. I'm outlining the face as well as the ears. And this is a number 2 tip as well. I'm also going to outline the horns. So I've got the ivory again, and I am outlining the horns and then adding some lines going across them, just to look like ridges that you would normally see in horns. And I actually used a number 1 tip for this. And I've got some piping consistency black royal icing here, fitted with a number 2 tip, and I'm just giving him some quick eyes. I've also got a stiff consistency white royal icing here with a closed star tip, and I'm just giving a little tuft of hair on his chin. It's probably my most favorite part about making these goats, is adding that little bit of chin hair. And you can see all the variations that I made of him. I gave some of them some black ears with some black spots. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like me on Facebook and on Instagram. Bye!